Protein is an essential nutrient which plays a vital role in the functioning of our body. If you have a deficiency of protein, your body will suffer and will stop functioning the way it wants to. Well, how do you know if you lack in protein? We will show you few prominent signs and symptoms related to protein deficiency. Keep monitoring them so that you can know when there is a problem. Number 1. Fatty liver. Fatty liver is one of the most common symptoms of a protein deficiency, and if left untreated can cause fatty liver disease, causing inflammation, liver scarring, and potential liver failure. These are also common conditions seen in people who consume a lot of alcohol, and people who are obese. Number 2. Problem with skin and nails. A protein deficiency can make your nails weak and brittle. In certain cases, you may notice white bands and brownish spots on your nails. Protein deficiency can affect the skin as well, as protein enables cell regeneration, produces new cells, and replaces dead ones. If you lack in protein, you will notice that your skin becoming dry, flaky and cracked. Number 3. Hair problems. Our hair is made up of 90% protein known as keratin. If you don't get enough nutrients, your hair may thin and fade in color. This happens because the body stops using protein for non-essential things like hair growth, in an effort to preserve it for essential needs. Number 4. Craving for food so often. Feeling hungry is fine, but if you always feel hungry and have cravings for food and snacks, it may be because of a low-protein, high-carb and sugar diet. The problem may be caused because you have more access to high-calorie food, in which the amount of protein is low compared to its calorie count. Number 5. Loss of muscle mass and joint pain. Muscles are body's largest reservoir of protein. If you feel muscle weakness, pain, and loss of mass, then it could be the sign of protein deficiency, since protein is essential for muscle growth and maintenance. Number 6. Increased risk of bone fractures. Not having enough protein leads to weakening of the bones, thus increasing the risk of bone fractures. Even though bones are made up of calcium, protein is needed for calcium absorption, in turn helping with bone metabolism. So, do take a note of these signs and symptoms related to protein deficiency, to ensure that you take sufficient protein-containing foods.